How to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video, let's talk about redeeming the Fortnite gift card specifically for the PS4 players. So, without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open any of your preferred browser on your laptop, mobile phone, or even your PS4. Then after visit fortnite.com/redeem. Then after tap on the sign in button from the top right corner and it will take you to another page. From this, you have to log in into your Epic Games account using your credentials. Now that you have logged in, you will land to the page of redeem. So here are two ways to do so. The first one is redeem your rewards page. For regular rewards or excess code, you can enter them directly and click on redeem. Likewise, for vbucks gift card, you'll have to go to the go here to redeem button for vbucks and then get started. After that, enter your gift card code. Select the PlayStation console when prompted to choose your device. After that, you just have to follow in some of the on-screen instructions and complete the redemption process. After this, your V-Bucks or rewards will be added to your Fortnite account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.